problems, but they don't last on the bread. White people go to school, where you get your heart through the day. And everybody's doing just what I told to. And nobody wants to go to jail. Ride, I wanna ride, ride alone. Ride, I wanna ride alone. All the power in the hands of the people rich enough to buy it. While we walk the streets, too chicken to even try it. Everybody's doing just what I told to. Nobody wants to go to jail. So they say, I wanna ride, I wanna ride, ride alone. Ride, I wanna ride alone. I'm taking over, I'm taking orders. I'm going backwards, I'm going forwards. Ride, I wanna ride alone. Ride, I wanna ride alone. They offer me the office of the dealership. They say I'm there to take anything they got. They wanna make tea at the BBC. They really wanna be a car. Career opportunities, the one I never done. Every job they offer is to kick you off the door. Career opportunities, the one I never done. I hate the army and I hate the RAF. I don't wanna go fighting in a tropical heat. I hate the civil service rules. I won't open their bombs for you. Career opportunities, the one I never done. Every job they offer is to kick you off the top. Career opportunities, the one I never